Hey, what's going on, guys? It's you here and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best fonts of 2022. Now this is just my opinion. Obviously, you don't have to agree with my opinion because who am I to tell you what the best fonts are? But I'm going to give you guys some suggestions. Okay, these are the suggestions I got for you. I'll be explaining why I chose these fonts. And I'll provide the link for them down in the description below, as well as my Camera Raw Filters Volume 1 pack that can help you guys for stock photography, regular photography, and sports designs. So let's get right into it. So as you can see on screen, I have all 6 of the fonts. First one on the list is Halyard. Hopefully I pronounced that right. It's just very bold. It might be just because of like how I like design, but I like really bold, like thicker fonts. Halyard works perfectly for sports designs and just like getting a point across, like if you have text. So if I have like a player's name or their number, whatever, basically most of these fonts work with that. Modesto Slab is the second one. Hopefully I pronounced that right. It might be wrong. I might have just add the accent for no reason. But I added that just because of the little like serifs they have at the end of each letter. And it's still like a bolder font, so it's like blocky. And it's, you know, it's kind of like an alternative. I don't really like using serif fonts that much. That's just a me thing. But I do have one here. But we're going to get to that soon. Termina, very, very cool. Very like futuristic kind of vibe. It's like a wide, bold kind of font. It's very cool. I've used it plenty of times in my designs. There is a font on here that I've been using all year, or there's a font that's not on here that I've been using all year, but I decided to just take it off because I think it's in most cases you have to pay for it. I don't know if they're still like the free, I don't think they still have it for free, but I have like the whole font family for Gotham, and that's a pretty good font personally that I use. But the next font is Sentry Old Style. I use this one kind of give like to like for descriptions or like a old school like newspaper kind of vibe, or just like, you know, like put their name in this font or put their like their team or whatever they're on in this font. I mean, it's super clean. I mean, it could be used for literally anything, not just sports designs. This could be used for literally any type of design. It's super clean. But yeah, the next font we're gonna go with Factoria. It's also similar to Modesto Slab, where it's just like very thick, blocky font with the little big serifs. It's just, you know, it's kind of like fitting a puzzle together. If you could see like the RIA part of Factoria, it kind of like fits together. It's like a real cool puzzle kind of thing. I don't know, that might just be me, but it looks very cool, super usable. Similar to the previous fonts, you could use it for literally anything. The last font we have is Modesto Condensed. It's another one with like serifs at the end of the letters. I just, once again, really like the bolder, thicker type of fonts, because you really want them to stand out in designs. I feel like it's kind of pointless using the thinner fonts if you're trying to get a point across, unless you're just like trying to add like little blurbs of text everywhere. That's the only reason I would use like a skinnier font, if it's just like for information and stuff. And then like obviously I would use the bigger, bolder text as like a header kind of thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. As I said, in the description down below will be all the fonts, and will be the Camera Raw filter pack that I mentioned. It is only $250 USD, not $250, $2.50. So feel free to give it a buy and try it out. Give me some reviews. Let me know how you like it. If it's trash, then tell me it's trash, and I will improve the next one. That's pretty much it, guys. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Later.